Good morning! The sun isn't even up yet, but we're making a healthy vegan breakfast. We're going to eat lots of different ingredients, and we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of oats. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and another tablespoon of ground flax seeds. You have to grind them up, otherwise they go right through you. This is another tablespoon of hemp seeds, and this is a tablespoon of walnuts. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and 1 tablespoon of goji berries. 1 tablespoon of cranberries sweetened with apple juice, not sugar. 1 glass of soy milk. 1 banana. 1 apple. 1 cup of blueberries. 1 date and 1 Brazil nut. How many ingredients do you count? How many are on the plate? I see 7. Then there's the apple. That's 8. The blueberries is 9. The date is 10. The Brazil nut is 11. The cranberries are 12. The banana is 13. And the glass of soy milk is 14, right? Let me know in the comments if that's what you see. Goji berries are rich in antioxidants. They protect your cells. They also contain 8 essential amino acids. Walnuts contain omega-3 ALA. That's alpha-linoleic acid. That's great for brain health. And they kind of look like little brains when you think about it. These are chia seeds. They are amazing because they also contain omega-3 ALA, which is the same vital fatty acid many people wrongly think they must get from fish. And flax seeds is another version. Just make sure you grind them up first, otherwise they go right through you. All of these foods are whole foods. That's to say they just have 1 ingredient in them, and they're highly nutritious. These are hemp seeds. Like walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, they also contain the amazing omega-3 fatty acids, as well as iron, magnesium, and zinc, and they're gut-friendly. All of these foods are excellent for your gut microbiome. And these are pumpkin seeds. They contain healthy fats and protein, and zinc, and magnesium. And no animals were harmed when you eat them. When was the last time you ate oats? They're great because they contain fiber, vitamins, minerals, and slow-release carbohydrates. They also have other nutrients like iron, magnesium, and zinc, which help our bodies stay strong and healthy. And then there's cranberries. They contain antioxidants and polyphenols, so they're plant compounds that protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. And now we come to blueberries. They contain anthocyanins, which are a natural plant pigmentation that gives fruits and vegetables their red, blue, or purple color. I'm adding a date just for extra sweetness and variety and fiber, and also 1 Brazil nut. Brazil nuts have selenium, which is great for thyroid function, but just be careful. You only need 1 every day or 2, not more than that. And soy milk. 1 cup contains 8 grams of protein, which is about the same that cow's milk has, except without any of the cruelty. So, to sum up, you know what to do. Eat chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts for omega-3 fatty acids. And you can add to your oatmeal some goji berries, cranberries, and blueberries. All of this wonderful food without ever hurting anyone. Remember that the vast majority of crops are fed to animals that meat eaters pay to have raped, confined, and slaughtered. Eat plants directly, and you dramatically reduce that harm. So, you ready to put it all together? Let's do this. Let's make a healthy, happy vegan breakfast. But before we do, pause and take a screenshot of this so you know what to add when you're ready to make it. I found this bowl on the side of the road where somebody had thrown a bag full of stuff. I guess they were moving. And I thought, perfect for my oats. Perfect for my hemp seeds. Perfect for my chia seeds. Perfect for my flax seeds. Don't forget you have to grind them up before you put them in your bowl. Let's add some soy milk to all those dry ingredients to get them all nice and puffy and ready to be digested. Wonderful walnuts. Beautiful blueberries. And beautiful Bella, my vegan dog, who we adopted, who is now 11 years old and wants a little treat. She can smell the apples, but usually she eats vet-approved vegan dog food, which looks just like regular kibble and has all the protein, vitamins, and nutrients that she needs. Bella is 11 years old, which is a senior citizen in dog years, but she's still doing great. She's able to run around and play in the ocean and chase a ball. If you think it's wrong to pay people to kill animals for your dog, then go ahead and order some. For us, it comes delivered in giant bags. And it's all she really needs. We just give her the kibble mixed with water and a few little treats once in a while, just like all dogs get. I mean, why pay for murder if we don't have to? You know? Just like us, dogs can be perfectly happy without ever eating any violence. They don't need meat, they don't need dairy or eggs, they don't need to eat any one. But don't take my word for it. Go ahead and Google the research yourself by Dr. Andrew Knight. He's a veterinarian, and he's proved it, that vegan dogs are just as happy and healthy as anyone else. And Bella is just another example. Hi, precious. I have to keep filming my video now, okay? Okay. You stay here if you want. So let's add the apple. This particular one was extra big, but that's okay. The more nutrients, the better. Let's mix it all up. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, don't forget to do so if you want to see any other videos in the future. And if you like seeing this kind of video with foods, let me know, and I'll make more of them. So when this is all ready, you can put it in the microwave if you want to warm it up, or in a pot. Sometimes I just like to eat it cold. Let's put in our goji berries. They're pretty dry, but they'll get soaked up pretty soon. A sweet banana is kind of important if you like a bit of a sweetness in your breakfast, which I do. Sometimes blueberries can be a bit sour, so this is what's going to make it really delicious. And you can always add 2 if you really want to. Or more cranberries. The total amount of protein in this gigantic, delicious breakfast is 21 grams. And the total amount of powerful, amazing calories, all from plants, is 857. That's gonna get you through your day. Remember, you can always vary this a little bit if you want to, by switching up the nuts, For example, hazelnuts you can add, or 1 or 2 macadamia nuts. Just switch up the fruit too if you want to. Instead of an apple, you can add a pear or a peach or even pineapple. And you can also cut up a date, make it the size of little raisins, and throw a few of those in there if you want even more sweetness. I'm just gonna dump these in there like that today. Look how colorful this is. And yeah, I took my sweet time making this video, but really, you just have to open the jars and dump tablespoons into your bowl. Put in the mashed up banana, whatever fruit you want, and a glass of soy milk. And that's it. Except for the final touch, which is some spices if you want some. I like to add cinnamon and a little ginger. Oh, maybe that was a bit much today. And some turmeric, just because, you know, the more spices you get, the better it is for you. There you have it. Can't wait. Oh, I forgot to add the cranberries. I counted 16 of them, in case you're curious how many fit on a tablespoon. Thanks for watching my video and hanging out with me. And don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. See you tomorrow.